Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make thicker milkshakes. Achieving that perfect, rich consistency is easier than you might think with a few simple adjustments. We'll cover the best ingredients to use, smart blending techniques, and some clever additions that will elevate your milkshake game. Get ready to transform your ordinary shake into an extraordinary, thick, and delicious treat that everyone will love. The foundation of a thick milkshake lies in your ingredient choices. Opt for full-fat ice cream, as its richness contributes significantly to the desired texture. Consider adding a frozen banana or a quarter of an avocado. These natural thickeners provide a smooth, creamy mouthfeel without diluting the flavor. A tablespoon of malt powder can also enhance both thickness and taste, giving your shake a classic diner quality. Proper blending technique is crucial for achieving that ideal thick consistency. Start by adding your ice cream and any solid ingredients to the blender first. Pour in a minimal amount of milk, just enough to get the blades moving. Begin blending on a low speed, gradually increasing as needed. Resist the urge to overblend, as excessive mixing generates heat, which can quickly melt your ice cream and result in a thinner shake. Beyond the basics, several creative additions can further enhance your milkshake's thickness. A scoop of instant pudding mix, especially vanilla or chocolate, works wonders by absorbing liquid and adding body. Freezing leftover coffee or milk into ice cubes and using them instead of regular ice can prevent dilution. For an extra luxurious touch, a tablespoon of heavy cream blended in will provide unparalleled richness and a wonderfully thick texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.